जिन्हें तुम अपने बच्चों को सब सब्जियां कैसे खिला लेती हो? My kids are not even ready to try. How do you make them eat all the different vegetables? It's fairly simple. First and foremost rule is eat with your kids. When they see you enjoying a certain vegetable or a dish, they get tempted to eat it. Second is involve them in the cooking and the preparation process. Cutting it together, tasting a raw vegetable, talking about it, cooking it and preparing it builds affinity for the product. ये मेरा है, मैंने बनाया है, एक शौक होता है, एक इच्छा होती है खाने की, क्योंकि हमने उसे create किया है. So involve them from an early stage in the cooking process. Third is when you present the food, always present it with lots of colors. ग्रीन, येलो, रेड थाली में होना ही चाहिए. उससे एक अट्रैक्शन बिल्ड होता है, एक इच्छा होती है खाने की. That's how you can help the kids to try different things. And first, when you're introducing different vegetables, just be okay if they just want to taste it, try it. Slowly encourage them to increase the quantity while you're educating them about the benefits of eating that certain vegetable. They'll definitely accept it.